Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to check out a pre-owned 2023 Scout 195 Dorado. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. The boat's a full 19-foot 5-inch overall, a beam of 8 foot 6 inches, and has a fuel capacity of about 43 gallons. Beginning here on the transom, you see this boat is equipped with the Yamaha 150. Great match for this boat. We also have the power pole, shallow water anchor over on the starboard side, swim step on the port side. This boat is also equipped with the ski tow option, which includes this center seat with the fold down backrest, and then your bilge access is under this seat. We have storage under each compartment in the stern, both port and starboard. Moving up towards the helm area, you have your captain's seat, your passenger seat, glove box over on the port side. Over on the starboard side, you have Fusion Bluetooth stereo, Lenco trim tabs, Garmin Chartplotter. You also have controls here for your power pole. One thing the Scout Dorado does is it is a great platform for people going out to the beach, spending time on the boat. It's a very open layout with lots of seating, much more seating than you'll typically see on a 19-foot boat. Moving all the way forward, you have great little storage compartments behind the backrest. Good place to put extra dock lines. You have hinged seat cushions with big storage underneath each side. You also see this boat is equipped with the Bimini top, so you can have it closed as we do today. Or if you open it up, it has great sun coverage. Moving up to the bow, you have a very large pad in the bow with storage underneath. And then all the way forward, you have your anchor locker. And when closed, it's a nice flush deck. Good casting platform as well. Well, again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100, and check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.